Hello. So it's finally time to get into my March scent bird. Excuse me. No makeup today because I have a little bit of a dry patch on my chin and a handful of pimples going on. But I knew that if I didn't sit down to film this right now, I wasn't gonna film it, and not because I don't want to, but because I have ADHD. So procrastination is the name of the game. But let's get into it. If you are new here or you don't know what Scentbird is, you set up a queue in advance, and then they send you perfumes off of your queue, and if there's not anything on your queue, I'm just gonna throw that down, they go based off of your scent profile. So I do the 2 vial a month subscription, which I think off the top of my head is $27.99. So I get 2 vials of perfume valued at $21.95 a month. So let's get into it. We'll open the first one, go through the notes on the card, spray it, see what I think of the smell. I'll describe how I think it smells versus the card too. So this first one is Illuminaire by Vince Camuto. It says plum blossoms and bright bergamot radiate with luminosity and magnetic energy in this floral fragrance. The notes are plum blossom, bergamot, magnolia, and cedarwood. My neighbor is using her blender. I really hope you guys can't hear that. Oh, it's kind of pink. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of pink. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. I'm not a magnolia person, but I do really like bergamot. Like Earl Grey tea is one of my favorites. That does have bergamot in it. Ooh. Yeah, yes, I think it does. It might not. I don't know. This smells really good. Vince Camuto Illuminaire. Ooh, I can't wait to wear that. Ooh. It's probably gonna be the perfume I wear tomorrow. Okay, so next thing is Juliet Has a Gun. And when I say I mean it's 4 M's. It's a 0-calorie treat. Well, yeah, it's perfume. I hope you're not eating it. I was thinking about this indescribable onomatopoeia when I created the fragrance. Behind the sound that murmur pronounced almost internally lies a world of hidden pleasures that goes beyond words, a gourmand accord of vanilla and neroli, an olfactive sweetness that regales the senses and provokes immediate pleasure. Romana Ricci, I guess that's the creator of Juliet Has a Gun. I don't know enough about this particular brand, sorry. The notes are raspberry, neroli, vanilla, and sandalwood. This is a vanilla perfume. Oh, how did I get some in my eye? Well, this is a vanilla perfume, so definitely up the alley for the gourmand girlies. I kind of wear a bit of everything, just depends on my mood. Ooh. Ooh. Slightly powdery, but not bad powdery. So it's vanilla, but it's not what I would call like dessert frosting vanilla. But it is vanilla. There's definitely getting the vanilla and the neroli and the sandalwood and the raspberry. I'm definitely getting all 4 of those notes. But also baby powder. It's like, this is gonna sound so dumb, the pink Johnson & Johnson baby lotion that you put on a freshly washed baby. That's this. And of course, I'm 25 weeks pregnant. I'm smelling this. My hormones are going wild. I'm like, This smells great to me. I love this. Both of these actually smell great right now, and I am obsessed. I love them. Great month this month. I will, in the description, throw the sign up link. Thank you for dropping shit. Upstairs neighbor, I appreciate it. I will put the link in the description. I don't get any like kickback from you signing up through the link, but maybe you get a discount? I don't know, we'll see. You'll see if you're interested. But yeah, that's it for my March Scentbird. See you in next month's. Bye!